A massive wealth transfer is happening right now. Not next year, not in 5 years, right now. And most people don't even realize they're watching it happen. Every major technological revolution creates winners and losers. The printing press, the Industrial Revolution, the internet, and now AI. The people who understand what's happening early build enormous wealth. The people who wait until everyone agrees usually get left behind. Today, I'm going to show you why the AI wealth transfer has already started, who's benefiting from it, and most importantly, how you can position yourself on the winning side. When most people hear the phrase wealth transfer, they think of inheritance, but that's not what we're talking about. A wealth transfer happens whenever economic value moves from one group of people to another. The internet created one of the largest wealth transfers in history. People who understood e-commerce early built companies worth billions. People who understood social media built personal brands that became businesses. People who understood software became some of the highest paid workers in the world. Meanwhile, many traditional industries struggled to keep up. The same pattern is now repeating with AI, but much faster. Here's the scary part. Most people still think AI is a future story. Investors, founders, and high performers know it's a present story. That's the gap where wealth gets created. Look around. A solo creator can now produce content like a small media company. A single entrepreneur can automate tasks that once required a team. A marketer can create campaigns in hours instead of weeks. A programmer can build products dramatically faster. AI is acting like a productivity multiplier. Imagine two people. Both work 8 hours. One uses AI strategically, one doesn't. The AI user effectively gets more output from the same amount of time. Over months and years, that gap compounds, and wealth is often just compounded advantage, not overnight luck. Let's follow the money. The biggest gains are flowing toward 3 groups. First, builders. These are people creating AI products, tools, and businesses. Every technological wave creates infrastructure winners. During the internet boom, it wasn't just websites that won. The companies providing tools and infrastructure won too. The same thing is happening with AI. Second, amplifiers. These people use AI to multiply existing skills. Writers, marketers, designers, consultants, sales professionals. They don't necessarily build AI, they leverage it, and leverage has always been one of the fastest paths to wealth. Third, investors. Capital naturally flows toward productivity. If AI increases productivity across industries, investors want exposure. That's why so much money is moving into AI-related companies and technologies. The market is trying to price in the future before it fully arrives. But here's where most people make a huge mistake. They assume the opportunity is over because they hear AI discussed everywhere. That's exactly what people said about the internet in the late 90 seconds. And yet decades of opportunity followed. Visibility does not mean saturation. Every wealth transfer has a losing side. That's reality. The danger isn't that AI exists. The danger is refusing to adapt. Historically, technology rewards people who learn new tools. It punishes people who cling to old systems. Think about what happened when spreadsheets replaced manual bookkeeping, or when email replaced physical mail. The people who adapted gained an advantage. The people who resisted became less competitive. AI follows the same pattern. The question isn't whether AI replaces everyone. The question is whether someone using AI can outperform someone who refuses to use it. In many cases, that answer is already yes. So how do you position yourself on the winning side? First, become an AI user, not an AI spectator. Most people consume endless AI news. Few actually integrate it into daily work, learning by doing beats, learning by watching. Second, stack skills. AI alone isn't the advantage. AI plus a valuable skill is AI plus marketing, AI plus sales, AI plus investing, AI plus content creation. That's where opportunities multiply. Third, think long-term. Most people chase quick wins. The real winners build systems, use AI to save time, use saved time to build assets. Content, businesses, investments, skills, assets create wealth, not trends. The AI wealth transfer isn't coming, it's already here. The gap between adopters and observers is growing every day. History shows that technological revolutions reward action more than prediction. You don't need to become an AI engineer. You don't need millions of dollars. You simply need to recognize where the world is moving and position yourself accordingly. Because years from now, people will look back at this moment the same way we look back at the early internet. The biggest question won't be whether AI changed everything. The biggest question will be, did you participate in the wealth transfer or did you watch it happen?